Let's go! Looks what just arrived. Oh yeah.
Actually at day 12 into the challenge. Today we got something special. We just received the brand new Anycubic S1 combo. Was a little bit surprise. Earlier this year I just applied into the Anycubic Dreamer contest, I think it was called. And I just received a reply that yeah, they agree, and I was just talking about my idea of starting a vlog on starting a brand new 3D printing business. And as every tech lover, we're gonna unbox it today. And honestly, I don't even know where we're gonna put this one because I'm out of space. Honestly, I just called the electrician for this week. The last week I just made a lot of cleanup into the shed to make an actual functioning workspace. So this one, we're gonna prepare it, it's gonna be ready, and by Friday we're gonna have an optimized workbench. For the last couple of days, this was on what I was working to optimize my space, my workflow, and everything. So let's go ahead and let's take a look.
Oh yeah, it's nicely packed. Oh yeah. So I've got this one. Oh, f So this is the S1 combo. The ace is on the interior. You can see it. You can see here there's a note, Ace Pro Unlock Guide. So we're gonna need to remove it from the top. Just gonna start to remove this phone. So yeah, it just says that I'm gonna put off the ace, the multicolor unit out of the top. And there's the toolbox, and after that, we don't need to forget to unscrew the build plate. So yeah, let's go. It's gonna be pretty straightforward. It's pretty well packed. There's a lot of foam. So yeah, we got the ace. Okay. Take out the accessory box by sliding out to the top. Got it? There's the phone. Some cutter. Alright, the tool head is free. Now need to remove the bottom one. And there's 4 screws to remove. Swap there. Honestly, I don't know who designed the packaging of all these splinter, but it fascinates me and how well it's all packed up and every space is optimized. For sure, this one is not a glass panel, this is a plastic cover. But anyway, there's some fragile component in there. Never had any printer that came broke.
Right, yeah, it's removed.
One eternity later.
Here we got all our PTFE tube. That's gonna connect to the back of the ACE to the printer. I hope they send us a hub. Yeah, this is the filament detector and this is the filament hub. So the PTFE tube is gonna connect into this. This detects your filament. What else do we have? I think this is to support the row. Oh no, we need to check the instruction. This is the cable that connects your ACE to your printer. Power supply connector. Yeah, I need to put this one into the S1. This is the activated carbon for the air filtering, as they said. Yeah, we've got two power, one for the printer, one for the ACE. As this one heat up, you need a separate plug because this one takes more power than a normal AMS system. The nozzle cleaning wiper. And we got the standard USB that contains probably some test file. The driver, I don't know. I think this is, yeah, a needle to unclog the nozzle. Some screw. So there's everything that we're gonna need to set up the printer. Just gonna put this one into the printer.
Here you can see that I'm placing the activated charcoal. Yeah, I was struggling a little bit. When it's done, I'll make sure that I'm gonna tap a little bit on the door, just make sure that everything is in place. Here we're gonna finish the setup of the exterior of the printer. We're gonna need to screw the filament hub and filament detector to the printer. We have to plug the 6-pin connector of the filament detector to the printer. Here we bring the ACE. We're gonna set up all the PTFE tube to the printer. And yeah, remove all the blue tab. I think this is the worst part. When you have big ends, it's pretty tough to remove. Yeah, we put back all the little tab to secure all the filament tube together. Put all PTFE tube into the filament hub. There's no importance into the order that you place them, I think. After that, there's the 4-pin connector that connects the ACE into the printer. It's pretty simple. Yeah, let's take a closer look to the ACE. With the ACE, we got 4 slots that we can put different filament. We got an heating system that's gonna dry up the filament and remove humidity. That's why this unit takes more power than the other. On the top we got the filament guide that will prevent your printer to have tangled filament, especially with cardboard spool. For the setup, it's pretty simple. You choose your language. I'm gonna choose global. You set up your Wi-Fi. Connection. Wi-Fi connected. Alright. You can also connect your printer to your Anycubic cloud account, so you will be able to control your printer to distance. We're gonna do all the calibration. And you see that at this point they ask us to insert the USB drive. I don't know if this is to flash the firmware.
that put in, and of course it's always the wrong side. Let's click next. Oh. Okay, everything seems normal. There was a weird noise, but looks fine now. So yeah, I'm gonna let them do his calibration, and that will be it. It's easy as that. And we got a brand new Anycubic Kobra S1 ready to fire up. The S1 has a print speed up to 600 mm per second, what is incredible, and has a build volume up to 250 mm cubic. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty fun to test out. If you want to see the S1 in action, make sure to check our other video. Thanks for watching, bye bye.